The big party hall was full of excitement. Mr. Statement stood in the front. "I tell facts," he said clearly. "The sky is blue. Birds sing." Everyone nodded. He was always clear and truthful. Suddenly, Miss Question zipped in. "Is this the party? Are we late? Where's the juice?" She looked around, full of questions. Mr. Statement just smiled. He knew Miss Question always wanted to know things. Then a strong voice spoke. Mr. Command walked forward. "Listen, sit down, be quiet." His words were strong and direct. Some people quickly did what he said. Mr. Command just wanted things done right. Just as things calmed down, Miss Excitement cheered loudly from the back. "Wow, this is great! I love it!" She threw her arms up, showing how happy she was. Everyone was used to her big feelings. She made the party fun. Later, Mrs. Long Sentence came in. She was thoughtful and spoke in a flowing way. "Even though the party is loud, I like to find quiet spots because that's where the best talks happen." She spoke with many connected ideas. Some found her deep, but a little complex. Mr. Connector joined soon after. He was friendly and balanced. "I like dancing and talking because a good party has both." He easily joined ideas together. He was good at making things fit. Among the guests, Little Simple moved quietly. "I like cake," she said clearly. "The music is good. I am happy." She didn't need many words to say what she meant, and her clear words were often a welcome change. The party's fun. As the night went on, all the sentences mixed together. Mr. Statement talked about the good food. Miss Question asked about tomorrow. Mr. Command made sure everyone had fun. Miss Excitement cheered at a funny dance. Mrs. Long Sentence talked about deep ideas. And Mr. Connector brought different groups together. Little Simple just enjoyed everything. They all worked together to make the party special and fun.